it's all about being transparent with you guys and getting your feedback and getting your ideas, and then kind of building a little bit momentum as we go into the bond campaign and what the bond could be in January. So.
The Shawnee Mission School District has moved forward with a bond proposal that includes the rebuild of 5 elementary schools. As part of the process, we have a visioning team that includes district administration, staff, parents, and the community working in conjunction with the architects to develop the schools. As part of the process, this team will give feedback, but we will also be asking for feedback from the entire community through a thought exchange.
And it's one of the things that makes, I think, that kind of contributes to that coziness of our school.
I think it's really great that the district is really listening to the teachers' point of view and getting some input from them. And I think it's neat how they were asking, what are some things that we like about the current building, the things that we don't want to lose, which just makes me feel like they want to really listen to what we have to say.
I'm excited that the district has taken the step of putting a bond issuance in front of the voters. I think that there's a lot of buildings across the district that could benefit from some investment, and I think that ultimately that's going to make a better environment for our kids to learn in.
Oh, I think it's great. I think it's incredible that we get an opportunity to provide feedback. I think money invested into schools and kids is money well spent.
Everybody's really excited. They've waited a long time. So I think this is just one thing in the middle of a pandemic that's really going to help people's spirits and give us something to look forward to, something to come together as a community.
So one thing that some teachers vocalized wanting to keep was the sense of community and the historic feel that Westview View has, because it has been here for a very long time. And just knowing that we have that say and that our community members are going to have that say, that was important.
Each and every community is a little bit different. They all have different, nuances, wants, needs, and we'll get pretty detailed with as we go through the process and really make a perfect school for them.
I think it's such a valuable process to be able to involve our staff as well as our parents in the process, and hopefully allows us to provide the best building possible for student learning and to also be the heart of our community.